Hello learners. It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about our sense of touch. Before we start, can anyone tell me what does our sense of touch help us with?
I know. Our sense of touch helps tell us if something is hot or cold, smooth or rough, and hard or soft.
That's right. We can also use our sense of touch to help us identify objects.
Let's find out!
For this experiment, you will need an eye mask, a soft toy, a tennis ball, a scrub brush, sandpaper, paper, and an ice cube. Get the person who is guessing the items to put on the eye mask. We are now ready to start guessing the first item. Feel item 1. Is this item rough or smooth? Pause and get your classmate to describe how the object feels.
This item is rough and spiky. It is a brush.
That's right. Let's now try to guess item 2. How does item 2 feel? Is it hard or soft? Is it smooth or rough? Pause and get your classmate to describe how the object feels.
Item 2 is hard and rough. It's a tennis ball.
Now, let's feel and guess item 3. How does item 3 feel? Is it hard or soft? Pause and get your classmate to describe how the object feels.
Item 3 is soft and nice to touch. I think it's a soft toy.
Now that you know how the experiment goes, let's go ahead and do the same for the other objects.
Sandpaper is rough and thin.
Paper is also thin but is smooth instead.
Lastly, the ice cube is cold and wet.
Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.